Hello, jambo sana. My name is Robert Max, Associate Professor of Biochemistry and Natural Product Value Addition. Currently, we are having one spectrophotometer which is working, and class sizes are increasing every year, and therefore conduction of practical training is very strained at the moment. We have to split classes so that we have several sessions which will use the only available spectrophotometer in the department.
With your donation, you're not just helping us as an institution to create scientists, but you are helping us transform the society. The donation we're going to get from you will greatly help training of our students here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And together we say, Asante sana.